Smart Bangladesh is an ambitious vision aimed at transforming Bangladesh into a technologically advanced, inclusive, and sustainable society. Spearheaded by the government's commitment to harnessing the power of digital innovation, Smart Bangladesh focuses on enhancing the quality of life for its citizens through the integration of smart technologies across various sectors. Central to this vision is the implementation of a robust digital infrastructure that supports high-speed internet connectivity, facilitating seamless communication and access to information. The initiative emphasizes the development of smart cities, where urban planning incorporates intelligent systems for efficient management of resources, traffic, and public services. E-governance is another cornerstone, aiming to streamline administrative processes and improve service delivery to foster transparency and accountability. This transformation is not just about technology but also about fostering a culture of innovation, collaboration, and continuous improvement. As Smart Bangladesh progresses, it envisions creating a knowledge-based society where citizens are empowered with the skills and opportunities to thrive in a digital world. This comprehensive approach ensures that the benefits of digitalization are inclusive, reaching rural and urban areas alike, and contributing to the overall economic growth and social development of the nation. By 2041, Smart Bangladesh aspires to position itself as a global leader in technology and innovation, embodying a model of sustainable development and smart governance. In the education sector, Smart Bangladesh advocates for digital literacy and the use of e-learning platforms to ensure equitable access to quality education. The healthcare system is being revolutionized through telemedicine and health informatics, making medical services more accessible and efficient. Furthermore, the initiative supports the growth of the digital economy by promoting entrepreneurship, innovation, and the adoption of emerging technologies such as artificial intelligence, AI, the Internet of Things, IoT, and blockchain. Environmental sustainability is also a key focus, with smart solutions being deployed for waste management, energy efficiency, and pollution control. By leveraging public-private partnerships, Smart Bangladesh aims to create a thriving ecosystem that supports technological advancements while addressing socio-economic challenges.